A British woman has died from rabies after she was scratched by a puppy in Morocco, her family said. Yvonne Ford, 59, from Barnsley, South Yorkshire, had light contact with the stray dog while on holiday in February in the North African country. In a social media post, reported by the Press Association, Mrs. Ford's family said she developed a headache 2 weeks ago and later couldn't walk, talk, sleep, swallow. The UK Health Security Agency, UKHSA, said there was no risk to the wider public due to no documented evidence of rabies passing between people. Mrs. Ford was diagnosed at Barnsley Hospital after returning to the UK, a hospital trust confirmed. In the Facebook post, her daughter Robin Thompson said the family is still processing this unimaginable loss. She was scratched very slightly by a puppy in Morocco in February, she wrote. At the time, she did not think any harm would come of it and didn't think much of it. She continued. 2 weeks ago she became ill, starting with a headache and resulted in her losing her ability to walk, talk, sleep, swallow, resulting in her passing. Close contacts of Mrs. Ford and health workers were being assessed and offered vaccinations when necessary as a precaution, a UKHSA spokesperson added. Rabies is a virus that causes an infection of the brain and nervous system in humans. Symptoms of rabies usually take 3 to 12 weeks to appear, but they can appear after a few days or not for several months or years. Symptoms include numbness or tingling where you were bitten or scratched, hallucinations, feeling very anxious or energetic, difficulty swallowing or breathing, and paralysis. It is nearly always fatal when symptoms appear, but post-exposure treatment is very effective at preventing disease if given promptly after exposure to the virus. The NHS website also advised people to seek medical help immediately if they have been bitten, scratched, or licked on the eyes, nose, mouth, or an open wound by an animal abroad. Source: World Health Organization/NHS/UKHSA. Ms. Thompson added, "We never thought something like this could happen to someone we love. Please take animal bites seriously, vaccinate your pets, and educate those around you." 6 cases of human rabies connected to animal exposure abroad have been reported in the UK between 2000 and 2024. Rabies is particularly common in Asia and Africa, the UKHSA said, with people visiting affected countries advised to avoid contact with dogs, cats, and other animals wherever they can. The agency also advised people to seek advice about the need for a rabies vaccine before travel.